Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can correctly apply tempered glass on your Motorola 30 Pro. So the first, I can recommend you to put on this silicone case that you can find in the box to not scratch your bag. Okay, right now we'll also need good lighting condition to see a very mess that we have on our display. The window cleaner will be useful for us. And for sure, the tempered glass. Let's open the box. Inside we can find the tempered glass. And also we can find two wipes, wet and dry. The first, we are going to use the wet one. So open it like that. And unfortunately it comes dry, so you have to use this window cleaner, apply it a little bit, and then clean your screen, just like that. You can turn off the screen or turn off the phone. Okay, and when you make it and everything is fine with the display, you can use the dry one. And you have to do the same. You have to remove wet marks after the wet cleaning. And if you still got this greasy marks, you can use additional towel, for example something like this one, and clean your screen from these marks. But in my case it's almost perfect. So right now I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks when you apply the glass. So when you grab the glass, you have to remove this protection at the first. So grab this sticker, pull it towards you, and if you have this problem, like in my case, that it doesn't come with the foil, so you have to use your fingernail and put it right here between the glass and the foil that is attached right here, and remove it manually without this sticker. Right now just take a look on your display one more time, be sure that everything is fine. Then you have to grab your glass like that, put it for the upper section on the screen at the first. Try to put it correctly for the both edges, like in my case. And when you are sure that everything is fine right here, put your finger in this place and also put the bottom part. Okay, right now, as you can see, it goes almost automatically, but you can press with your finger to make it a little bit faster. Okay, right now you can also spot the glue marks under the glass. How to remove them? Just simply press with your wipe on them and they will disappear. Take a look. Okay, and as you can see, the process is finished, so we can unlock our phone. And as you can see, no problem with the touch sensitivity, so you can easily apply it and don't worry about that. Everything is fine. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.